The North Atlantic. We have seen this system over the last couple of days, and now the National Hurricane Center has upgraded it to Tropical Storm Chantal. It is located roughly 500 miles to the south of St. John's, Newfoundland, right now producing winds of 40 miles per hour, moving towards the east at 22 miles an hour. The official track takes it out into the middle of the Atlantic, where it will meander about for the next several days. In fact, by Sunday, 8 p.m., still forecasted to be a tropical storm, producing winds of 40 miles an hour. But again, staying well away from the continental U.S.